and that's a fact.
Violence is bad, it makes me sad. God is rad, and that's not bad.
Violence isn't cool, especially in school. Obey the rules, don't be a fool.
When it comes to your best, have self-control. You don't want to be stopped by the pest patrol.
What you should always have is passion. It is totally everybody's fashion.
People get along when you demonstrate kindness. Open your eyes, see through the blindness.
Let's crush ignorance, restore vigilance, protect our face from the world's mace.
Respect, reconnect all the bridges in our lives that we all need. It's the reason to survive.
Building character, not walls, not ceilings. Regardless of your race, let me face what you're feeling. It's powerful, relationships connect and build bridges. You can feel it. Stop and think about it for a minute. Building character, not walls, not ceilings. Regardless of your race, let me face what you're feeling. It's powerful, relationships connect and build bridges.